only smart people will understand this. So let's see, are you one of them? In today's video, I am going to give you 5 brain challenges. Some will look easy, but trust me, they are not. Rules are very simple. Don't skip, pause and think. And yes, don't forget to comment your answer. At the end, I will tell you your smartness level based on your score. So let's start. Challenge 1. Riddle time. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. Who am I? The answer is echo. Echo repeats sound without having a physical body, that's why. Challenge 2. Maths but tricky. You have 3 apples. You take away 2. So how many apples do you have? The answer is 2. You took 2, so you have 2. Simple but confusing. Challenge 3. Observation test. Look at this carefully. What's wrong here? Correct answer is double the. Challenge 4. Logic puzzle. A farmer has 710 sheep, all but 9 die. How many are left? Answer is 9. All but 9 died means 9 survived. Challenge 5. Hard one. Only real smart people get this. If you are running a race and you pass the person in second place, on what position you are now? The correct answer is second place because you replaced the person on second, not the first. Now be honest. How many did you get right? 5 by 5, genius. 3 to 4, smart. 1 or 2, keep practicing. So, are you really smart? Comment your score. Remember, being smart is not about knowing everything. It's about thinking differently. If you enjoyed this, I will bring part 2 with harder challenges.